Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 1994 Honda VT 1100 Shadow. Big bore V-twin, liquid cooled, shaft drive. It's got mag wheels, tubeless tires, got a nice windscreen and a really cool king and queen saddle with a rider backrest. Beautiful two-tone paint scheme. This bike is in really fantastic condition for a 94. Runs perfect. 19,000 miles on this gorgeous Shadow 1100. Come by, make your motorcycle dreams come true for just $24.99. No financing available on this bike, but you can pay cash and get yourself a beautiful ride. Come by, check it out. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com. At any given time, we have 30 to 40 beautiful premium bikes in stock. Starts up. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.